is Algebra 2, Module 2, Lesson 9, Awkward. Who chose the number 360 anyway? So here, this is one reason why I wanted to get y'all's quiz done before this lesson, because now we're introducing the radians to the unit circle. So these radians will not be on your quiz on Monday, but you will be quizzed on the radians as well. But don't worry about them for Monday. But know your degrees and your sine and cosine of your circles. Okay? We'll work on radians next week and probably have a quiz on it maybe towards the end of the week. So, for number 1, this is to convert 60 degrees to radians. Now, I'm going to show you the absolute simplest way, the steps to do this. Okay? All you have to do is take the degrees that we have there, which is 60. And we're going to say 360 divided by 60. Well, what is that? It's 6, right? Okay, now that you have 6, all you have to do is put 2 pi over 6 and reduce that fraction. So 2/6 will reduce down to 1/3. So that would equal pi over 3. That's all you have to do. 360 divided by your degrees. 2 pi over that answer, over that quotient there. Okay? That's the simplest way to go from degrees to radians. Now, to go from radians or rads to degrees, it's very simple too. Okay? Convert negative pi over 2 to degrees. All you have to do, I know, so don't, be careful, because I know we're used to saying 3.14 for pi, right? Don't do that. Here, you're going to say 180. You plug in 180 for pi, you have your degrees. So if we took a negative pi over 2 and we plugged in 180 for pi, we would get negative 90 degrees. That's it. That's all you have to do. Now, there's going to be a lot of these questions on your homework, and I took a lot of questions off of your homework, but there's still a lot of problems for you to fill these problems in, or fill these answers in. But that is basically as a simple, I mean, that's as hard as it is. It's just getting used to those conversions there. Okay? Now, number 3 says, explain how radian measures is related to the radius of a circle. Draw and label the appropriate diagram to support your answer. Now, you should have seen this in the video. Okay? I'm going to draw it. I'll just draw it right here really big. Okay? If I have a circle right here. Okay? And we're not even concerned now with the coordinate plane or anything like that. We're not worried about that. But if we go from the center and we do something like this, okay? This is, what does it want? It is how radian measures is related to the radius of the circle. So this R units here, oh, that's horrible. R units, what is going on there? That is the radius, right? Well, that is equal to this arc here, R units. And when that's the case, when the radius and the arc is exactly the same, then that is equal to 1 radius. No, radian, not radius. 1 radian. So when these two are the same, you have 1 rad. Okay? That's what that's asking. Now, if you watch that video, that should be clicking with you. If you didn't, that's going to be completely new to you. So that is it for this lesson or on this exit ticket. Anybody got questions on the exit ticket here? I mean, that is the simplest way